Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So in last sessions we will discuss so much of things of generative AI. So such a huge full of things. I am back with a new video that is recently I have attended one of the generative AI workshop which is held by the CEO of Nxtwave ccbp. So I am very gladful and thankful to sir. So he told some new technologies of generative AI. So we have seen some trending technologies like ChatGPT, BART and extra things which are seen in nowadays which are trending. So in these I have to share this knowledge with to all these things. So basically what is meant by this generative AI? Generative AI means one of the super intelligent human. So this human can give thousand rates better understanding, better knowledge and better reply of your given query or given type of things. So type of things means I have to tell so much of some things that is one thing is text, that is, and another one images, and another one you can see some music, and another one you can see some of the videos. So we can create these things. So in upcoming days it may replaces so much of things because we can use one of the tool and we can create one of the scene, total one of the movie. So we have that one of the movie also. You can watch AI that movie directly YouTube also. So we have those things. So and mainly I have learned some applications that is writer. So writer we can give some prompts and things. So after that it can create so much of knowledge in a prompt like a lyrics. So music of lyrics, some poems, etc. With the knowledge of that super intelligent, and after that you can also create some DALI 2. DALI 2 can give some images. So you want to the images can't present in our environment, but the AI will generate the images with the knowledge of it. So that's the beauty of this technology. And next, you can also create some new music. So the music directors of future may be attracted by this, and it will make some so much of new music. So this is the things, and you can also see some of the movie cuts. So right, so we have some applications of things. So we can see those things in our next screen sharing continuation of this video only. So we will see those all things in this continuation of this video. So and I am very glad to tell that after only in these 3 hours I have built one AI tool in my own way myself, and I have built one voice cloning. So if you want to give some queries, so that query will be resolved and gives answer in my voice to the given tool. So if you want to ask some questions, that will be gives answer in my voice. So like these things I have learned the line in this. So that's all about this, and we can start our screen sharing now. So let's start the Okay, friends, so let's start our screen sharing, and what are the generative AI. So I have told in video now only, so that continuation video so in this generative AI, which is known as the, it can read millions of books. So it had that much of knowledge and 1 billion websites and Wikipedia. So it have so much of knowledge, this type of knowledge it can have. So it is a super intelligent, and not only knowledge, it has some analytical thinking, problem solving, creativity. A person can do only a singing or only one small things, but it can do all those things, and it can have so much of capabilities. It can't mention only those things, some things will be mentioned here, and it can stores so much of knowledge things. So that is a called super intelligent. It is the small term of generative AI. So these generative AI have some of tools which are already available in our site. So this is our the music generating tools. So we can see these music generation tools, and next video generation tools. We can generate so much of movies also with our creativity, and
some image generation tools we can generate now with using this dream boy wambo, so which is already present here, so we can do that. And next text generation tool, that is writer, so we have already know do it practically, and these are also some tools. And we can do these all things with the LLM and Langchain. These are the nuts and bolts for the our generation of generative AI tools. So let's start by seeing some generative AI which can do these works. So generative AI. So generally, here we can give some any type of, you want some songs lyrics, or you want any ideas and etc. So something you want something here. So I want song lyrics of loving birds or etc. So you can give these and you can press write, so you can, it can write so here, so for you. Okay, it's done. So here, so you can see these things are rated for you on spot. So this will be the verb 1 and chorus and verb 2 and chorus 2. So how much of stress will be decreased these much of tools to you. And next we will see, this will be the text creation in how much different type of text creations you want, some idea and you want anything, you can give here and you can search those things. And next we will go with the dream way. So so here you can give some prompts. You want some sunset evening vibes with some trees. So you have any type of knowledge that can give here, and you can enter here as a create. So it will be creating some images, and that image will be comes here. And also you have different type of applications, so the image will be came. So it may be this image may be present in universe or not, but with this super intelligent human can created this image, how wonderful you can see. And next you can also give some we want some generation of some of the music, you can give some prompts here. I want some salsa musics or sarigamapa etc. So you can create generate here. So it will becomes, well, it takes some time, so let's you can try it. And next beautiful birds I have already given now only. So that is a beautiful morning with beautiful birds you have seen. And next you can go with the some which are created by new thing that is created by me in this workshop of generative AI workshop. So in this we can see this chartboard. So I have created this chartboard. So if you give some prompts hi, so you can submit here, and that hi will generating so something hi, hello again, so how can I assist you further. So it will be giving like that the answers. And I have also created one voice bot that will be also shown to you here. So this voice bot, this voice will be comes in from my tell about Taj Mahal. I will give like that, Taj Mahal. So tell about Taj Mahal means it can take some times because so it's a big thing. So and it will becomes in my voice. So let's see it. So what is Taj Mahal and etc. So we can see what will becomes here in that. You can listen also. So that will be things, and totally these things are learned in this and these all things are done in this collab. So it is a type of a garage. So that garage will contains these language, and you have already know, and OpenAI and Gradio and Hugging Face. So you can install those things in these, and after that you can install and do give these keys and etc. After that you can run these all things, and after that you can get which you can push that into the Hugging Face, and it will be directly comes to here and in the space, and after that you can run simply. So here our output will become, so once see what will be that chatbot will be says.
Taj Mahal is a magnificent marble mausoleum located in Agra, India. It was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. Construction of the Taj Mahal began in 1632 and was completed in 1653. It is considered one of the most beautiful buildings in the world and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Taj Mahal is renowned for its intricate architecture, stunning white marble facade, and beautiful gardens. It attracts millions of visitors from around the world each year.
Yeah, this is the basically my voice. I have given my voice, but it will be giving the knowledge. What is the query you have given? After that the query will be given in that way. So that is the beauty of these things, and totally I have learned these things I have given here. So you all about high means high, so it will be giving like this. So these are things I have learned in this generative AI. So hope you guys liked this video, and uh, again I can come with a new video with new technology with so much of knowledge things. So keep watching my videos, and once again thank you for this opportunity, and thank you sir, and thank you Rahul Attuluri sir, and thank you all.